Welcome back to another episode.
Welcome back.
Today I'm with my cousin Meg and we're going to do a 1v1 tournament and we're going to see who can catch the most fish. I don't know if we're going to do a time limit just yet, but whenever we're like kind of ready to give out, I'll probably put time on it. There's no like anything special. We're just going to see who can catch the most fish.
I'm going to win.
She thinks she's going to win.
We'll see.
You'll see. She's going to throw the drop shot and then I don't really know what I'm going to start off with, but yeah, we're going to do 1v1 tournament and we're just going to see how it goes. Are you ready?
Here we go.
To lose?
Full send. Full send, baby.
You think you're gonna win?
I'm gonna win.
That was that bad. All right, let's do this. Every time I come here, there's like no fish except for that back corner all the way there. Like that's where I always get fish. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna slowly fish my way there and then just go all the way there. He might go. He might go.
Fucking fish on, baby.
Johnny Wade, fish on. Jeremy would be very proud of us. Oh my god, I already have one. I swear to God. Oh, it's a good fish. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. That was my first cast. I swear to God, that was my first cast. Yeah! That was literally my first cast. Oh my god, let's go! Wow, that's a solid fish too.
Hold it up again.
Hold it up. Woo! Meg, you're losing. I don't know why you cheering, sis. You forgot. There we go. First cast, first fish. Hell yeah. How do you feel?
I'm happy that we caught one even though it's yours.
That is
Beautiful fish.
That's a good team player right there. It is a good fish. Definitely not a bad fish for the first
Beautiful.
one.
Dwayne, #1, baby.
Why are you calling him Dwayne?
Just what it came to me.
All right, see you later, Dwayne. Are you ready to go? Ready? Oh, there he goes.
Oh, baby.
Woo! All I'm using is a white chatterbait with an Exo Swim as my trailer. She's using a drop shot. Wow, I literally never catch fish over here. This is wild. You know what they say, first cast and you get a fish, it's usually bad luck. So, let's not get too cocky. That whole back corner, just fish that whole thing. I'll let you go in front of me. I'll meet you over there. I'll give you a head start on the juice area.
Definitely fish over here.
You had a bite? All right. You got this, Oh, got one. Oh, he came off. That felt like a good bite too. Damn it. Yeah, I'm using chatterbait. Damn, that felt like a good bite too. Meg just lost a fish. A dead sunfish?
Yes, look at it.
It
just emerged from the depth.
I can see it.
Do you see it? Rebecca just came out of nowhere. Rebecca! Fish on!
Oh man, Meg has a fish. Oh. I'm coming. Hold on. Look how cute he is.
So cute. I'm so proud of him.
You're so proud of him.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, she's gonna call the cops on us now. We gotta go.
No.
Good?
Yeah. All right.
Oh, almost hit my finger off.
It's 1-1. Let's do this.
Before the cops get called.
Yeah, why?
Are
What?
we bothering you?
No. I fished here so many times before too. I'm ready for a mom to come out and be like, it's because everyone's on quarantine and they have nothing better to do except for want to call the cops.
Oh.
I just hate, why can't you come out and talk to me? She probably sent her daughter out and was like, go ask them right now if they're fishing.
It's not like we're keeping the fish or hurting them.
Yeah, no, catch and release, man. Yeah, no, hi. We're getting stared at.
I know, look
come out and talk to us. They waved back, so like, I see you, you see me. What's good? It's a huge one. It's a huge one. All right. Ready? See ya. Good job. I'm proud of you. Don't leave me hanging. Woo! All right. I'm doing a bait change again, so. I mean, I understand we're probably fun to watch, but like it's really creepy. You guys just staring at us through your house. I've fished here thousands and thousands of times. I filmed my first YouTube video ever here.
What, how long ago?
Which was 6 months ago when I filmed my first YouTube video. So, I mean...
Shows them that video.
There we go.
That one?
Yeah, it feels really big too. Oh, it's not. It felt huge. Jeez Louise. Wow, he hit it really hard. Well, there she is. It is now 2-2. All right.
Bye, Harold.
Harold, oh, he's biting me. There he goes. 2-2.
2 for 2, baby.
2 for 2 or 2-2-2?
We both have had 2.
Yeah.
2-2.
2-2.
2-2.
2-2. You want to do like first one? Oh my God, you have one? Oh my God, no. 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 What the heck? Oh, dude, that thing is so small. Oh, we should have done a size limit, but see ya.
Sorry.
All right, so 3-2 now. I gotta go. Get out of my way.
Like half a fish.
That was half a fish. We're going full speed now. There we go. Yep. Oh, that's a chunk. Oh, nope. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Guggen Squad Zinger gets it done. It is now 3-3. That's a nice fish right there. Super healthy. Definitely like to see that. How do you feel, Meg? I'm so proud and happy. All right. Ready, bud? Woo! Feisty. 3-3, baby. They're like Pokemon? Gotta catch them all. Oh my God. That should be a fishing quote. No way. You have another fish?
It's literally the same one I keep catching.
No. You just got them on the roof of the mouth, which is usually like the hardest part of their mouth. There you go.
Thanks.
You're literally catching the same fish. This is just...
No.
You know what? Ready? See ya. Good job. 4-3.
I'm literally catching the same fish. I swear to God.
No.
The same size.
There we go. Finally. Don't come off. Yes. There we go. 4-4. Oh. Meg, I got one. 4-4. Here she is. Beaut. See ya. We gotta keep going. 4-4 tie game. We gotta regain a lead. The only time we've had a lead this whole time was the first fish I caught. Now. Imagine. Oh my God. Next cast. Next cast! Yeah! 5-4! Oh, buddy, calm down. Calm down. Imagine it's like the same fish. No, this one's smaller. All right, 5-4. We just regained a lead. Let's go! That never happens. No way. No way. What the heck? 3 casts in a row. 3 casts in a row. What's the score?
That's
6 to 4?
Yeah.
Holy crap. Wow, you were beating me for so long too. 6 to 4. I mean, they're not sizable fish, but like, they're fish. And that puts us in the lead, so, you know, I'm not complaining. There we go. Fish on, fish on. No, I'm not kidding. Holy crap, that's a good fish. Oh my God, that's a good fish, that's a good fish. Oh no. This is definitely the biggest one. Oh yes, that's a good fish. What is it? 7 to 4. Dude, that's 4? Almost 4 casts. I took 2 casts. Almost 4 casts in a row.
4 to 7.
4 to 7, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna snag a few pics with this one before we put him back. Yes.
His name's Titus.
His name's Titus?
Yep.
That's a good name. I like that name. Titus. You're gonna be in a picture. What's his name again? I forgot.
Titus.
Titus?
Just sounded pretty good, you know?
Alright, his name's Titus. What's the score? 7 to 3?
4.
7 to 4, 7 to 4. Sorry. Whenever you're ready, give him a little nose rub.
Rebecca, be careful.
There he goes. He kicked off.
Yeah. It's hanging in there.
It's hanging in there. Well, that concludes today's video. What was the final score? 7 to 4?
Yeah.
I had 1 blitz and it just was like 4 casts in a row catching fish. So without that, I probably would have lost. So
We
yeah.
did good. 11 total.
That was pretty good. It's not bad for a March in New England.
I know, really.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
nice.
I like kept switching my baits and kept trying different things because I wanted to catch a big fish, and then I stuck with the spinnerbait for a little bit and it just prevailed. So Becca took the dub, but good game.
Good
You
game.
did good. Well deserved. At least you caught fish, so that was fun.
I know. Usually I don't catch nothing.
All right, thank you so much for watching today's episode. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I guess I'll leave your Instagram down below if you want people to.
Right.
Yeah, you want.
Subscribe to my cousin.
Subscribe. Yeah, me. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys next time.